Hey there, future retirees. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you ever look at your retirement savings and wonder, how in the world will I ever have enough to retire comfortably? Or are you one of those people who think, I'll start saving for retirement tomorrow, but tomorrow never quite comes? Well, let me hit you with some truth. The best time to start saving for retirement is right now. Yep, that's right. No time like the present, my friends. Today, we're diving into how you can easily save for retirement as early as possible, and I promise, this won't be as painful as it sounds. In fact, we might just have some fun along the way. Now, I know what you're thinking. Retirement is so far away. Why do I need to worry about it now? But here's the thing. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. And we're not talking about waiting until your hair is gray to get started. In fact, starting your retirement savings in your 20s or early 30s could give you a huge financial advantage down the road. Imagine this. You start saving just $200 a month when you're 25. By the time you're 65, that could grow into more than $250,000 with average returns. That's like getting paid to do absolutely nothing. And who doesn't want a paycheck that doesn't involve actually working? All right, folks, this is where the magic happens. Let's talk about compound interest. Sounds fancy, right? But really, it's just a fancy way of saying your money will make money for you. It's like setting your money up on a blind date. And then, boom, they're getting along and making more money together. Here's how it works. You invest your money and it earns interest. Then, that interest starts earning interest too. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with time. The longer you leave your money to grow, the more it multiplies. So, when's the best time to start? Yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Because the sooner you start saving, the longer your money gets to work for you. So don't wait. Compound interest isn't going to wait for you either. Now that we're all excited about compound interest, you might be wondering, okay, but how do I actually start saving for retirement? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here are a few simple ways you can start saving today, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s. 1. 401k. The employer-backed powerhouse. If your employer offers a 401k, and especially if they offer a match, which is basically free money, why are you still reading this? Go sign up for that thing right now. Seriously, if you're not taking advantage of an employer match, you're leaving money on the table, and that's like turning down a free appetizer at a restaurant. 1. Roth IRA. Tax-free growth, baby. Next up, the Roth IRA. This is a favorite among retirement planners for a reason. With a Roth, you contribute money that's already taxed, but when you withdraw it in retirement, it's tax-free. That's right, no taxes on your earnings. It's like winning the lottery and not having to share it with the IRS. Sounds pretty great, huh? 1. Traditional IRA. A deduction. Today, taxes later. If you're more of a pay now, tax later kind of person, then the traditional IRA might be for you. You contribute pre-tax dollars, so it lowers your taxable income for the year you contribute. But, heads up, when you withdraw the money in retirement, you'll pay taxes on it. It's like a tax delay, not a tax-free getaway, but still pretty good. 1. Automate, automate, automate. This is one of the best pieces of advice I can give you. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. Even if it's just $50 a month, just start. It takes the decision-making out of it. You won't even notice the money going out of your account, and you'll thank yourself later. Trust me, it's like paying yourself first, and that's the best financial habit you can develop. All right, I get it. Investing can be scary. Stocks go up, stocks go down, and sometimes you feel like you're on a roller coaster. But here's the good news. When you invest for the long term, you don't have to worry too much about the ups and downs. The key to making retirement savings work is consistency. If you're consistent with putting in money every month even when the market dips, you'll be able to take advantage of what's called dollar cost averaging. This fancy term just means you're buying more shares when the price is low and fewer shares when it's high. Over time, this smooths out the ride and you get better returns. It's like that time you bought a huge pack of toilet paper on sale because you knew it would come in handy later, only with less TP and more cash. So, how much should you actually save? Well, it depends, but here's a general rule of thumb. Save 10%, 15% of your income each year for retirement. If you can start saving in your 20s, this might be all you need to do. Make sure you're increasing your savings over time. Raise your contributions whenever you get a raise, bonus, or tax refund. It's like getting a raise without your boss even noticing. And always aim to max out retirement accounts when you can. There are limits, but when you can, take advantage of them. Now, if you're ready to really supercharge your savings, think of your retirement strategy as a ladder. Here's how you can climb up to financial success. Step 1. Emergency fund. Before you do anything with retirement, make sure you have an emergency fund in place. You don't want to dip into your retirement savings for a surprise car repair or medical bill. Step 2. Employer 401k. Match. Don't leave free money on the table. Always take advantage of your employer match first. Step 3. Roth IRA. Tax-free growth. Yes, please. Step 4. Max out 401k. Try to contribute as much as you can to your 401k. If you've hit the Roth IRA limit, the 401k is the next step. Step 5. Taxable accounts. Once your retirement accounts are maxed out, start looking at taxable accounts for additional savings. These don't have the same tax benefits, but they give you flexibility in how and when you use the money. So now that we've covered the essentials, it's time to take action. Seriously, start now. Don't wait until you're staring at retirement age with a pile of what-ifs. Take a few minutes to set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts today. Even if it's a small amount, getting started is the most important part. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you'll have down the road. And don't let the fear of too little too late hold you back. Every little bit adds up over time, and that's how you build a retirement that's as stress-free as possible. You've got this. If this video helped you understand how to start saving for retirement, hit that like button. Share it with friends, family, or anyone who's putting off their retirement planning. Trust me, they'll thank you later. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more awesome tips that will help you crush your financial goals. Got any questions about retirement planning? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And remember, folks, time waits for no one. Start saving today and set yourself up for a retirement that's relaxing, stress-free, and full of beach days, or whatever your ideal retirement looks like. See you in the next video.